This course is about creating a YouTube account, either for yourself or for a business purpose. It will take you from beginner level to an expert level of creating a YouTube account on Windows, on Mac, or your phone. The way I organize this course is to take it step by step for you in such a way that you optimize, maximize, and leverage all that YouTube has for you. During this course, I'll be showing you tips and tricks that will help you to optimize your YouTube account creation in such a way that your subscriber base will start growing faster and higher than even your own expectation. Are you as excited as I am? So join me in this course. Hi, how do you start a YouTube channel? You would agree with me that the best way to start a YouTube channel is by typing YouTube on Google. You click on the link here, or you can simply just type youtube.com and follow the link that's here. Any way you choose to start will bring you to the same homepage, which is the YouTube homepage, as you can see here. So when you are at the YouTube homepage, you click on sign in option at the right hand corner of the screen. Now you'll be prompted to sign in with your email or phone number. I would always advise that you create a new account so that you can differentiate the emails from YouTube with the emails coming from the other areas of your personal life. You don't want to be confusing both of them. So I would advise that you create a new account when start a YouTube channel. For the sake of this tutorial, I will use my demonstration to sign in. Once you are already at the YouTube homepage, you click on your account, which you are seeing here. There are several tabs here you can click on, but I advise you go with the first one, which is your channel or create your channel. It will bring you to the homepage of your YouTube channel. Now, we are already at the YouTube homepage, so what you will do is to customize your channel. There's customize channel and manage videos. Since we don't have videos yet, we'll start with the first one, which is to customize your channel. Under channel customization, we have layout, branding, and basic info. So for the layout, is simply how your YouTube homepage would look like. There's channel trailer for people who haven't subscribed, and there's featured video for returning subscribers, video spotlight, the videos that you want to show at the top, that whenever people come to your channel, the first video they should see are these videos you are seeing here. This one is for the new people coming to your channel, whereas this one is for people that have already subscribed to your channel, your subscribers. So since we don't have videos yet on this channel, we will leave this option and later come back to it. The featured section is how you want your homepage to look like, either by short videos, by upload, or single playlist. You can even add more sessions. As you can see here, popular uploads, multiple playlists, how you want your homepage to be organized. But we don't have video yet, so we cannot do any of these things until we have a video. So let's customize the other areas and later come back. So the next option is branding. How do we brand our channel? You brand your channel by uploading your profile picture, your banner image, and your video watermark. So for the profile picture, you can see the recommended size is at least 98 by 98 pixels and a maximum of 4 MB. You can either use a PNG or a GIF file. What you do here is you upload your profile picture. I click on my profile picture here. There's the option for you to resize your picture as you deem fit. You see, I'm holding this part to decrease and increase. So once you are satisfied with the look, you click on done for your change to take effect, and it's automatically uploaded to your page. Now the next one is the banner image, and they advise that it has to be a minimum of 2048 by 1152 pixels, and it has to be 6 MB or less. You can always click learn more for you to know more about the requirement. I have made this image before on snapper.com. To customize your banner art, it will show you what will appear on all devices. This is for your phone. What will appear on desktop, this is the desktop dimension, how it will show on TV. And if you use snapper.com to create this image, it has these lines like this, and how it will appear on all devices. So once you click done, it's automatically uploaded to your page. So the next option is the video watermark. The video watermark will appear on your videos in the right hand corner of the video player. For most YouTubers, they use the subscribe button. Some other YouTubers use their name or their branding as the video watermark, but let me go with the popular option of the subscribe image. I made this video watermark on canva.com. Of course, if you're interested to learn about how I made all these images on snapper.com and canva.com, feel free to tell me in the comment section and I'll make a video about them. Once you upload your video watermark, there's the option when it should show. Is it end of video, custom start time, or entire video? It's always advisable to go with entire video so that people can subscribe to your channel throughout the video. So once you are done filling all this part, you go to the next option, the next tab, which is basic info. Basic info is where you fill your channel description. Of course, this is your about page on the YouTube platform. So what do you want to show on the about page of your YouTube channel? So what's your channel about? In my own case, most of my videos are on finance, money, and entrepreneurship. So here I will write, this channel is about making money online. If there are other things you can write about your channel, you keep writing until you are done, up to a maximum of 1,000 words. You can always add language if you want YouTube to help you translate your channel from one language to another. So, but since I am writing in English and people to read it in English, there will be no need for me to use this channel translation. This is your channel URL. Now, if somebody wants to follow you on YouTube and is asking what's your URL, so this is what you give the person. You can click this option for you to copy it. It is the standard web address for your channel. It includes your unique channel ID, which is the numbers and letters at the end of your URL. The next option is link. On a YouTube homepage, banner ads, you always see links of Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, website, or anything that the YouTuber feel like giving a link to. This is where you add those links. You can add links to sites you want to share with your viewers, and the maximum that you can add is 5. So when you click on add link, you can put the link title here, for example Facebook, and here you add your URL of your Facebook channel. Just open your Facebook and copy the URL of your homepage and paste it here. But since this is a demonstration account, I don't need to do that for this channel. Finally, we have the contact info. Contact info is the email address that you want people to contact you for business inquiries. The email address you enter may appear in the about section of your channel and be visible to viewers. So if you want companies, your subscribers, your viewers to reach you, which email address do you want them to reach you? Put the email address here. So once you are done filling the email address, you click on publish so that these changes you've made will take effect on your YouTube channel. So once it has published, you can always go to channel in order for you to see the changes that you've made. You can see the changes that I have made here. My name is here. The banner art is here. The about page, which is our channel description, you can see this channel is about making money online, and several other that you have written here for your channel. Your details, where you're staying, my Facebook and Twitter or Instagram account, they would have been displayed here too for you to see them. You can always change any of these things you've made at any point in time as you want. Just repeat the process by clicking on customize channel. You can always change or remove them at any point in time that you desire to. And once you've changed them, you can click on publish for the change to take effect. On YouTube, you need to click on publish or save for that change to take effect. So you can see the change has taken effect here. You can always upload a video by going to your dashboard on upload videos, or this upload videos here, or by clicking on create to upload a video. This is for live stream. If you want to go live on YouTube, this is the icon that you click. We can also upload a video by going to the content tab and clicking on upload videos. So let's upload a video and analyze it further. Now that we've uploaded a video on YouTube, we can come to customization in order to change how our homepage look like. We can make this video to be our channel trailer and our featured video for a returning subscriber by just clicking on add, and it's as simple as that. So after clicking on this, you remember to click on publish for the change to take effect. Our layout of the homepage has changed because of what we just did. Now you can see this video now is the featured video for new viewers to my channel or the returning subscribers. All of them will see this video once they come to my YouTube channel.